Welcome back, everybody, to another video. Today I'm joined by Blindsy.
Yeah!
Anthony. And Jack. And today we're doing the What's Inside the Box challenge.
Yes! Yeah! Let's go!
Let's get started.
Camera?
No.
Alright, should I get in the camera?
Well, yeah, we can.
Alright, what am I doing?
so hard to
FBI?
do. It's so hard!
Oh my God.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. Hold on a sec.
Wait,
for
we
a
need
second.
to cut because I'm going to suffocate in this.
Too bad. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be working in teams of two. Me and Jack versus Anthony and Brayden. The team that gets the most points wins. Can you guys stop? Okay, the first item's going in. Cover up your faces.
Yes,
Cover
cover
up.
it
Hey,
up.
you won't. Put it in right
FBI.
there. Right in front of my hand.
I'm showing it to the camera. So
Don't
wait.
show it to the camera.
Okay, take your
Show it
hand
to
out.
me.
Take your hand out.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, Brayden, put your hand in. Nope.
Ready?
Is it
When we
gonna
tell
poke
you
me?
to.
Is it going to poke me?
Now.
Yeah.
Get
I
out.
can't find it. Where is it?
Brayden has it. Brayden, what is it?
It's a bag!
What's inside the bag?
Like sprinkles or something.
Ding, ding, ding.
Wait, what?
Anthony! Yeah.
What?
I took it away from you.
Oh, sprinkles.
You got the first
Okay,
round.
Anthony,
It's a bag
Anthony,
of
come on.
sprinkles.
You got
It's our turn. Let's go. Next round.
Okay.
Everybody needs to. Oh.
This is Sammy.
Put
Okay, well, this is.
Show it to the camera, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what we're doing. Okay, I'm gonna put it in.
I'm scared. Wait,
Please,
do we
so
have
you
to
can
touch it slowly and it gonna spill?
If you put a
No, it's not gonna
snake,
spill. Just touch it.
if you put a snake in there, I'm gonna hurt you.
I put a snake in there.
Ow! Wait, it's a wet paper towel.
I don't get
No, it's not that.
Okay, wet
it. Give me
tissue.
it.
Okay, let's
I
go.
need to get a chance. That's not fair.
That's gross. That's gross. It just feels.
Are we recording?
Yes, we are. We are live.
Yes. Okay, the rules are if they don't figure it out in less than a minute, they don't get the
I'm
point.
gonna fix this hole with my flex tape.
Okay. Okay, Phil Swift.
Okay. Is it gonna hurt?
Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, don't put your hand in it. I'm just gonna put your hand. Okay, your hand's right above it. Nope, don't put it in yet. Don't
I'm
put
scared.
it in.
What is it?
Your hand's right there.
Brayden,
stop.
Cheating.
Cheater.
Cheater.
Is it gonna hurt?
FBI's gonna take you away.
Go.
Is it gonna hurt? Ew, hot chocolate fudge. Chocolate fudge.
No lifting it.
Chocolate fudge.
Brayden, is that your final guess?
Is it? Yeah. Is it?
No. Is that your
It's yogurt. It's yogurt. It's
Anthony? Is that your final guess?
Yogurt. Yeah, it's yogurt.
You
Wrong. Remove your blindfold.
It is toothpaste. That is okay. 1-1. Jesus turn.
No.
Time to brush.
Now.
Listening to what they're doing. We're listening to what they're doing.
Wait.
Blindfold.
Dang it. Wait, Chase, can I read it?
Yeah. Okay, we're blindfolded.
We're blindfolded.
Close your eyes.
We're blindfolded.
No, I need.
Wait, can you check the camera real quick?
Yeah, what's it supposed to say?
Does it have the recording
No, don't.
at the top?
Don't start it yet. Don't start it yet.
Does it have an REC at the top?
does.
Okay.
Alright, let's do this.
Does it?
It better not be impossible.
You have to guess the exact thing.
Exact.
But it's in a box.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
not fair, though.
A minute.
We had to guess.
You didn't have to guess the
Okay, move your
flavor.
hands out. Move your hands.
Yeah, move your hands. Alright, right.
Okay.
Go.
Your hands.
Can we pick it up or no?
Yeah, no, not really.
You gotta feel this.
What the heck?
Give it.
It's like a container of some sort. Wait, bring it open.
One.
Birthday candles.
Nope. Is
Wrong.
That your, yeah?
Wait.
Yeah, that was your guess.
Wait, feel
You
it.
opened it. You're not supposed to open it.
Wax melt.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So,
Yeah.
How'd you guess it?
38
Because we opened it.
You suck.
Chill.
That's
such
just
a bully.
cool.
Mama.
Alright, if you want to play dirty, we'll play dirty.
Yeah.
I bet.
I have exactly the the next thing we're gonna
Don't make it something that's gonna hurt.
Okay, you guys blindfolded?
Yeah, is it gonna hurt? I need to breathe.
It's not gonna hurt. It's just gonna poke.
You. It's gonna poke you. It's gonna poke you. It's gonna poke you.
Is it a cactus?
Definitely not.
You guys are allowed to pick this one up. Get out of the frame. Okay.
Is it gonna hurt?
Timer starting now.
Brain, it is definitely hell. Okay.
Wait, what is it? Is it a pocket knife?
Let Anthony touch it.
Wait, what is it?
Let
Yeah.
Anthony
You
feel.
guys are teammates.
Let Anthony get a nice feel.
Wait, it's super long.
It's a bunch of blocks.
Yeah, some kind of. Ew, what is that?
You have toothpaste left on your hand, so you smeared it on.
I think it's a bunch of blocks.
Nope, you have to be way more specific than that.
I think it's a long.
Oh, it's a twisty, blocky thing.
Way more specific than
What
that.
time?
Yeah, it
Back
does.
up, back up.
What time?
It's twisted.
10 seconds.
10,
9, 8, 7,
It's a
6,
It's a
5,
block.
4,
Snail toy.
3,
Snake toy is a
2,
block.
1.
What are your 5
A block.
No! How are we supposed to know what this is? Rubik's Cube snake. Get wrecked.
We said that. We said a block snake. Pat, we're gonna go hardcore. Come here.
Yeah. Jack's cheat. Just.
Oh, we need the timer. Right?
Give him the phone, Chase.
Okay.
They have it.
I don't know what the timer is, but I'm just gonna count to 60.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in.
Put your hands out.
Can I pick it up?
Yeah.
Yes.
It just might hurt you.
What is that?
What is it?
Yo.
Oh, that's cool.
Let me feel it.
My hand is springy, Chase.
We don't know what this is called. So.
Oh, it's a baster.
Absolutely
Wrong.
proved.
Yeah, my
No.
mom uses this for cooking.
No,
That's a
you have to be
baster.
so
No, it's not.
specific.
That's what it's called. It's called a baster.
Absolutely
Wrong.
proved.
It's not called a baster.
You don't know what it's called.
You don't even know what it's called.
Oh, yeah, it's like that thing.
It's a mixer.
Yeah, Jack, it's that thing.
It's a mixer.
It's a
No.
mixer. You have to be more specific.
How am I more specific? Do I have to be
Yeah.
brand?
How long is left?
It's a mixer.
Absolutely
Wrong.
proved.
Listen to me.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's a cooking
Okay, you
utensil.
failed. You failed.
You're doo-doo. That's a cooking utensil.
No, it's not. You didn't name what metal it was and what handle it had.
Okay, no, that's a point to us. I was right.
1.
You were wrong.
3 to 1.
No.
Yes, we got that.
3 to 1.
You just suck at this game. You just suck at this game.
No, you're crap.
Easier
You're
stuff.
crap.
We need to rate the video so we get a comeback.
No.
Very precise with this one.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
You said baster last time, so we can
Okay.
just name like what.
Okay. You don't have to be specific, but you do too. Okay. You ready for it?
Yes.
Okay. Take your hands out of the box.
Ready?
Out of the box.
Okay, guys, out.
Out of the box.
It's out of the
Brayden, out of the box. Good
Anthony
enough.
is going to take you away.
It's a shoe.
It's a shoe.
Who's?
More specific.
Oh, it's an Under Armour brand.
Hey, you're looking. You're looking.
It's
It's 20 seconds.
It's Jack's shoe.
What shoe?
Is it Jack's
I'm
shoe?
gonna let
What
it go.
shoe?
Well, Jack has an Under Armour, I think.
Okay.
They cheated.
Yeah,
so
they cheated.
No
He
point.
looked.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
How'd you know it was an Under Armour?
Because that's all I saw. I saw a shoe.
There's
over there.
no way you
Yeah.
guessed that. That was
I
Under Armour.
didn't cheat.
Yeah,
Fine, you get
Anthony
redo
cheated.
for that match.
Redo.
Redo for that
No,
match.
that's scary.
Of course it's ready.
Redo for that.
Fine, I
match.
won't cheat this time, guys.
Close your eyes.
Okay, bet.
I can't see. Okay? Shut up.
Close your eyes.
Close your mouth.
Chase,
I bet you're looking.
I can see the light, but that's about
Chase,
it.
I think I have an idea.
I can't see what.
No, I want to show you my idea. Chase, I want to show you my idea.
No.
Don't make it something that's gonna hurt.
Chase, we're a team.
Put a
Stop
cactus.
looking.
Okay, eyes closed.
Is it gonna
Brains, eyes
Okay,
closed.
redo.
Anthony,
Because they're cheaters. Let me make sure it's
Wait,
recording.
you should actually do that in the video.
Okay, put your arms up.
You're up right here.
Go.
It's a bowl.
Wait, no, it's not. It's a tire.
It's a tire.
Woo!
They get
Let's
the-
go.
2 to 3. We are.
Jack, don't say the score because we don't know what the real score is. This is the real score.
Oh, hi! Phil Swift here. Flex tape.
Okay, next round.
Oh, I'm so
Alright,
hot.
hang on.
No, you're not.
Oh!
Guys.
Can I pick it up?
Yes, it's pickable up really.
Jack, this is my house, so I probably know what it is.
You're gonna know it.
I don't know what this is.
So
Give it to me.
easy.
Oh, it's the back of an Xbox controller.
Nope.
Yes, it is. It's a rechargeable one.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's a cover piece.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
What
is.
type of cover piece?
What do you mean, what type of cover piece? It's a back cover piece. I can feel it.
You were cheating.
How am I cheating?
You're Jack just
Jack
took
right
his
now.
hat off.
Yeah, I know. I'm too hot.
You're carrying Jack right now.
Yes, I am. That's
No,
another
he
point
can
to
reach
us.
it. My arms are too
Jack, you
short.
were literally holding it in the beginning.
Yep,
No, I don't
another
like
point
it.
to our team. Boop.
Alright, my turn finally.
Okay, we're coming in.
What are you guys doing to send?
Is this gonna hurt me? It's gonna
No,
hurt me.
this isn't gonna hurt you.
Okay, wait.
Unless you get
Hold on.
stabbed somewhere, then. Whoo! Whoo!
I'm scared now.
Put
Is
your
it
hand.
scissors?
No.
Put it in.
No.
Is it really?
It's definitely not scissors. Ready?
Wait. Let me get the timer out, bros.
Yeah, sorry guys.
Wait, Brayden, did you feel it?
No, I didn't put it in.
Set.
Go.
Ooh.
I know what I would do.
I don't feel it. Where is it?
Give it to Anthony.
Oh, is it a turkey thing?
Nope. Give it to Anthony.
This is good.
A turkey baster thing.
If you want to say
Oh,
that's
these
your
are
final-
things for snots. These are like booger nose things.
Yeah, you're right.
Booger
Yeah.
sucker. I'm a big
Yeah,
brother.
yeah,
You're at
that's-
level.
Yeah. You were just touching a fucker sucker.
I thought it was like those turkeys.
Next round.
No, you know how those turkeys.
Look, I will report you and Ben your CMB draws. Welcome back to CMB draws.
Come on, put it in already.
It's some Q-tips for sure.
Hands up.
Don't guess it, Jack. Let me do the guessing.
I want
Jack has to guess something. Or point
Shut up.
Okay.
I didn't put anything
Do you
in.
say go?
Yeah, go. Jack, reach.
I know what this is.
Let Jack guess.
string.
Let Jack
Balloon
guess.
string.
Let Jack guess.
Jack, say balloon string.
It's not.
Jack, say a roll of balloon string. Jack, say a roll of balloon string.
String.
Say
Jack,
a roll of
get all
balloon
out.
A roll of balloon string.
Wow, you know literally everything here.
string. Go. Let's go. Yeah, my birthday was this Wednesday.
I have this at my house, Jack. I know.
I'm not a hacker.
How come I took you like 20 years?
What the heck?
Let's gather around the campfire and sing
yeah,
the campfire
This is probably the
song.
hardest round yet.
Do you want to say last round?
Yeah, last round. Last round.
Let's
Wait,
go.
guess this. Can we win?
No.
No.
Well, sure.
No.
They're never
Yes,
gonna
this
guess
No,
it.
no, I'm not risking it.
Fine.
I'll give you 2 points if you can guess this.
Yeah, because this is just impossible.
You say that. Watch me guess.
Really? I want to see you guess this, Anthony.
No. Hands up. Where's my phone?
I just got my iPod.
Okay.
Wait.
Don't touch it, Brayden. Don't touch it, Brayden.
Did you guys put my phone?
I'm gonna squeeze it really hard.
If you do, your hand's gonna get destroyed.
Yeah, it really is.
Oh my god, so it's poison.
Okay, ready?
Okay, no, I got it.
I'm gonna do it.
Hand up.
Okay.
Hand up.
I felt something.
Go.
Wait, let me see it. Pass it. Oh, it's a Tide Pod.
Nope.
Wait, give me it. It's a
Nope.
Tide Pod.
No, it's not.
It's a dishwasher thing.
Yeah, let's go.
2 points for the boys. 2 points.
I think you guys are still behind.
Yeah.
Hi.
Can we lift it up or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can lift it, but I just like stick.
But I mean, is
No,
it like
hold
the
it up,
toothpaste
hold it up.
where you can't lift it? Is it like toothpaste where you can't lift it?
the thing.
Answer the question.
Is it? Yes, kind of. It's like that.
So I can't lift it up. I have
No,
to dip it.
you
in.
can.
You can lift it up.
I wouldn't squish it too much because it might ruin whatever's in it.
What the heck are you doing?
No. Open it. Hang on. No.
No.
Not ready, not
Show it
ready.
to the camera.
Yeah, we did.
Do you guys put it
Because
in?
they wouldn't know what it is.
Is it in?
Okay, fine. You have to open it.
Okay,
though.
but
Try and open it.
What?
Okay. Did you start the timer? Yeah, it's starting.
Wait. Oh, what is this?
Jack, stop trying to.
You
Fudge?
can't look at it.
Fudge?
Sniffing it.
You're literally
Fudge?
putting it up to your face. No, it's not.
You guessed wrong.
Ah!
It's
Ah!
yogurt. It's mayonnaise. It's mayonnaise. It's mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Yes.
No, it's not. It's not.
No,
30 seconds.
it's yogurt.
No.
Nope.
Wait, what's our hand in? Is it edible?
No, it's
Is
not
it
edible.
paint?
Definitely not.
Paint.
15 seconds.
We're not gonna say anything.
15
Put
seconds.
our hands in paint. Is this paint?
Nope. We're not gonna say
15
anything. until
seconds. 15
I know what it
seconds.
is.
10,
What is it, Jack?
9,
Blue.
8,
No,
7,
that's not blue.
6, 5,
Okay, Jack, say
4,
it.
3, 2, 1.
Okay,
Yeah.
you guys lost.
What? No, Jack. What's your final answer?
It's glue.
No.
Sunscreen.
Okay, we're gonna put up the score. We're gonna see who won in the end.
It's
You guys just had a chance at 2 points.
We're gonna do a death match.
Yeah, we're doing a death match.
First one to
Well,
guess
well, not death match, speed match. So the first one to 3 points wins.
Wait, what?
We're gonna put a bunch of different items in there.
Excuse me?
And the first one to
I'm a
3 points
transformer.
wins.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, it was a perfect tie 5-5. So.
Yeah, because I'm a transformer.
Okay. Okay. First item going in.
Is it gonna hurt me?
Wait. Wait. We
Put
need to
your
put
hands up.
we need to put something down so it doesn't get grody.
Huh?
We don't
Wait,
want it to
what?
get sunscreen on it.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna put. So you put a pillow.
Lift your hand up.
Pillow.
Another sunscreen.
Pillow. I guessed it. Point for us.
No,
Guys,
no,
it's a
no.
pillow. Point for team.
Wait, go.
It's an apple.
Okay, 1 to me and Jack.
That it's just who
Catches it first. Or like
he put it on his side.
I put it in the middle.
Anthony, just keep your hand right above him.
Okay, that's 1 to us. First one to 3.
Come on, you can do it.
He saw. No,
Yeah,
he
I
looked
saw
over.
it. I saw
We
it.
have to get new items.
I'm gonna confiscate all your. You go get them because I'm. Let's go get the blueprint, guys. Guys, are you looking? No. All right, shut up. You're blindfolded. Blindfolded, I am. All right, make sure you put it like equally in the middle of this pillow. It's nice and perfect. Shh, you can't look. I can guess it. Okay. You want to box? Okay, ready?
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, second item. Coming in.
Hurt me? Put it towards Anthony's side. Anthony, hands out.
No, put your hands out. Hands out so it's fair.
Jack, your hand's not all the way out.
Out, Jack. Go.
It is it's one of those pop figure thingies that was over there.
Let Jack have a feel. Let Jack have a feel.
owl. It's an owl.
Jack, let Jack have a feel.
It's an owl.
Yeah, it's an owl.
No,
No,
that
no.
doesn't.
Nope. Nope.
It's like, is it an eraser?
Nope.
Wait, let me feel it.
Keep on feeling.
I know what it is. It's over there. It's an owl thing. It's an owl thing. No, it has to be the device. No, Jack can just copy. Oh, it's a charger. It's a USB. Nope. What is it? I know. It's a portable charger.
Just
Nope.
feel it. Feel it.
It feels like an owl.
Let me
Okay,
get
next item.
No, Anthony's gonna.
Okay, last guess, Anthony.
Is it a speaker?
Yep. Okay, one.
Let's go. Oh,
What the heck
feel
is that?
the circle.
Guys, stop
don't
looking
know.
at the
Can I
stuff.
see
need to
it?
get more things.
I need to see what the owl thing
It's a
is.
speaker.
I just guessed.
Jack,
Keep on
Jack
looking.
just came over and
Jack, stop looking.
Jack, stop.
Jack has disqualified a point for looking at all
Yeah,
items.
kid, you're mad.
Yeah, Jack.
If I were,
Keep your
no, if I
blindfold
were-
on at all times.
If
now.
I were had to,
You
win
just
this one-
lost a point.
If I was
Okay.
to win this one, then I automatically win.
Okay, hands out of the box. Hands out of the box. Go.
It's the Rubik's Cube holder.
Oh.
Let's go!
Hey, blindfolds on at all
He knows
times.
that because I already knew we were gonna put that as an item for you guys.
What do you
but
mean?
I had
already
text on
win.
it.
I already win. It's 2 to.
It's two. Yeah, wait. First one to 3 wins. Is this a Bluetooth speaker? Buddy. Hey, you guys got your blindfold on? Yeah, oh, it's Raven. Bet, watch this video. I know, right? Watch me. It's Raven. It's not an owl. I know. I just said. Hands out of the box. Oh my god.
Go.
What even is that?
It's
It's a truck.
I don't even know what that is.
Well, if you don't know, then how are we? Let me pass it over. Pass it over. Let me just see. Let me just see. Stop. Let me
Guys,
just see.
each of you should get a half.
No, because what if Anthony says the correct and then Jack just copies?
Yeah, but whoever says it first gets it.
Is this like an arcade? Wait, is this like some kind of arcade thing?
Nope. Come on, Jack. You got
Max, you can have to let Anthony touch it.
Oh, is this some kind of robot?
this. Nope.
Is it an RC racer? Nope. It's a toy truck. 10.
I don't know.
9. What 10, 9, I know what it is. I don't want to look. Anthony can't feel the main part of it because Jack's hand is over. 3, 2, 1. Don't remove your blindfolds. I'll just tell you. It's an
Automatic card shuffler.
I knew that.
No, you didn't.
My cousin has one of those.
I didn't even know that
If
existed.
you knew it, why did you not guess it?
Hands out of the box, Anthony.
Hands out.
I didn't know that it existed.
Be careful with this. Go.
It's a trophy.
Globe.
Nope.
Wait, let me feel it. You know what it is. Let me feel it, Jack.
Don't give him any hints. Stop.
Is this the bed holder thing? Is this on the bed? Is this one of these?
No.
Is this a railing? It's some kind of like...
Actually, it looks a lot like this.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Is it a light? It's some sort of light?
Is it a light bulb?
Yeah, is it a light?
Nope.
It looks like... It feels like this thing.
10, 9, 8,
What's it? It's
7.
2-1.
Is it Humpty
Six.
Dumpty? Is it some kind of
5.
figure? It's Humpty
4.
Dumpty! It is!
It has
2.
batteries.
1. You got me this for Christmas, Jack.
It's a gumball machine.
What is it?
It's a
It's
plasma
still staying. It's a plasma ball.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know.
Sorry, I didn't.
Sorry, I didn't know what I got you.
Oh, I don't want to... I'm going to stick
Yes.
out of this. Ball.
No, that's too easy. Oh my God, it's still 2-1.
What about this?
That's 2-0.
Oh, yeah.
He didn't guess anything yet.
Yes, he did.
What did he guess?
Apple.
Yeah, he got apple.
Yeah, because
He grabbed it before you.
We're going to redo that.
No.
He grabbed it before you, so you.
Go. No.
Shaggy.
New item.
What the heck
New
is
item.
that?
New item.
I didn't
is
feel
that?
it.
You, Jack, you need to keep your head out of the box.
It was out.
Your hand is laying on the inside of the box. Anthony's just like above it.
Go.
It is a Lego figure. Some kind of
Does Jack
Lego.
have a?
Oh my God.
Is it a screw? What is it? I don't know what it is. I have no clue. Is it like a figure of some sort? Is it, it feels like you feel it. I don't want to get any. I'm surprised Anthony, your, computer's about to fall. That's great. Okay, I know, it's like that. This is, it's on. Why would you turn it up? Speaker?
What?
Next item.
Next item.
It was a piece of a Rubik's Cube.
Oh, why'd you take it out? How am I supposed to feel
You
it?
just threw.
Go.
Let me feel it.
Package. It's a package of some sort.
You have to let Anthony feel it.
He didn't let me feel other stuff.
Just
so.
feel it.
It's a package of
What is
balloons,
this?
like fart balloons. Some sort of
Package of slime? Balloons. Balloons? Oh my God, you guys are so bad. What even is it? Can I switch with Anthony? No. Slime. Yeah, can we switch? No. Slime. No, Chase will be able to guess everything. It's slime. Some sort of slime. Oh my God. It's a
Okay.
You're actually fighting over.
What is
it?
It's a hot hands pack.
man. How? What? It's the summer. I'm joking.
Okay. Okay, I don't care. Next point wins.
Alright.
No matter. It's not to 3.
No.
This is taking forever.
This is entertaining. You can cut out like a
Put
couple
hard
of
things
lines.
though. Don't put some easy things. Because what if someone grabs it before the other?
Put something.
Guys, I wouldn't be going grabby for this. This is sharp.
Oh, I was about to use that earlier.
Don't. Hands out of the box.
So,
Go.
Is it a key holder? A key?
give me
A necklace. A necklace.
It's a short tooth necklace.
Yes, let's go. Yes. No. No.
It's tied.
No, we said next point wins.
No, it's tied 2-2.
One. No, we said next point wins.
I remember Chase Asher.
Yes. Let's go.
2-2.
No, you.
Yes.
We said next point wins.
I said necklace before anybody.
It's 2-2.
No, we said next.
Okay, this has been a C&B Productions. I'm your host, Berdin Lynn. And make sure to subscribe or John Cena gets it.
Oh no!
No.